Here's the problem. The more you demand certainty, the more anxious you become. Because life never gives you 100% certainty, not even once. But research shows that people who can say, I don't know what's coming, and I still take the next step, those people experience significantly less anxiety. There's even a whole therapy built around this. ACT, Acceptance Commitment Therapy. And the core finding about this, the more you fight uncertainty, the louder it gets. The more you accept it, the less power it has over you. And that's exactly what Proverbs is saying. Stop demanding to see what only God can see. Peace doesn't come because life becomes certain. It comes because you stop fighting the uncertainty. You don't need all the answers. You just need to take the next step. Feelings follow action, not the other way around.